A modern office with data engineers collaborating, their screens filled with data, coding, and AI-powered tools. The atmosphere feels exciting and fast-paced. What if I told you that by 2025, data engineers won't be replaced by AI? Instead, we'll be working alongside it, making our jobs easier and more powerful than ever. Imagine cutting down a task that used to take a week into just 1 hour. That's the reality we're heading toward. Section 1. The myth about AI and jobs. Quick clips of media headlines. AI is taking over. Automation is the future. Are data engineers becoming obsolete? Let's clear up a common misconception. AI isn't here to take our jobs. It's here to make us better. You remember when spreadsheets first came out, and everyone feared they'd replace accountants? Look how that turned out. The real deal is this. AI is like a power boost to our skills, not a replacement. Section 2. AI in action. How it's helping data engineers. Cut to animated visuals of smooth data flows, real-time dashboards, and AI working in the background to optimize data systems. Let's break down how AI is actually making a difference for data engineers today. 1. Gone are the days of manually cleaning messy data. AI can spot issues, clean data, and detect anomalies faster and more accurately than we ever could by hand. 2. Imagine your ETL processes setting themselves up. With AI-powered tools like a flat Initio, you can automate workflows, fix bottlenecks in real time, and optimize systems automatically. 3. AI can even predict when systems might fail or need more resources, like having a dashboard that tells you exactly where to focus your attention before problems arise. Section 3. Why data engineers are still crucial. Scene of engineers discussing strategies, collaborating with AI, and brainstorming solutions on whiteboards, while AI tools work in the background. Now, you might be wondering, if AI is doing all the heavy lifting, what's left for us? Well, here's the truth. Everything that matters. 1. AI doesn't get your company's unique needs or your team's goals. Only you can bring those insights to the table and connect the dots. 2. We're the ones who design the systems that guide AI, ensuring it works for real-world solutions and adds value to the business. Section 4. How to stay relevant and thrive in 2025. Quick cuts of engineers learning, creating innovative AI tools, and collaborating on projects. So how do you make sure you're staying ahead in this AI-driven world? Here's your roadmap. 1. Learn the basics of AI and machine learning. Knowing how these tools work will make you indispensable. 2. Dive into AI-powered platforms. Get hands-on experience with tools like Snowflake or Databricks and get familiar with the ones reshaping the industry. 3. Sharpen your problem-solving skills. The best data engineers don't just solve problems, they think outside the box and build creative solutions. Closing scene. Embracing the future together. A dynamic, hopeful scene where engineers and AI work together to create impactful results. Here's the big picture. The future of data engineering isn't man versus machine. It's about working together to unlock new possibilities. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to amplify what we can do. So, are you ready to join the AI-powered future and lead the charge?